Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Audi A5 2.0 TFSI 40S line S Tronic, a sleek and sporty coupe that offers dynamic performance and premium features. Finished in Navarra Blue with a half-leather cloth interior, it delivers both style and comfort. At the side, this coupe sits on 19-inch alloy wheels, while the sculpted lines and electric folding mirrors enhance its aerodynamic profile. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and subtle S-line detailing complete the stylish design. Powered by a 2.0-liter TFSI petrol engine, the A5 delivers a responsive and efficient drive. At the front, the Honeycomb grille, black exterior styling, and signature Audi LED headlights give the A5 an aggressive and modern look. The S Tronic automatic transmission, cruise control, and drive select modes ensure a smooth and engaging experience. Stepping inside, experience the Audi virtual cockpit, heated front seats, and an intuitive infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, navigation, and DAB radio. The rear seats offer premium materials and a well-crafted cabin for passengers. A spacious cargo area makes the A5 practical for everyday use while maintaining its sporty appeal. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration KP 70WWZ to book a test drive or request a video tour.